Join with. Okay, now Arush Kasim will come forward and she will do her performance. Arush Kasim.
Hi, Arush Kasim. I am from nursery class. I tell you for Children Pakistan. As Samir Ura Sema इनके सिवा जाना कहाँ बढ़ती रहे ये रोशनी चलता है कारवा पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान Pakistan, Pakistan, yeah, Pakistan, Pakistan, yeah, Pakistan, Pakistan, Zindabad.
Very good. Well done, Arush. Very good. Very nice. Okay, now I would like to call Zainab Hassan and Ibrahim. Zainab from nursery, Ibrahim from KG. Mariam Tariq from kindergarten, please come forward. Rest of the students, please mute your mics. Habiba, Zaryab, mute your mics, please. Muhammad Ahmad from nursery class. Muhammad Ahmad. Mariam Qureshi, Zainab, please call Mariam.
पहले पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, उसके बाद सऊदीया का रियाल जिंदाबाद। नहीं रियाल 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 चलता सब एक ही।
Please mute your mics. Mute your mics. Zainab, please call Mariam. Start your performance, Mariam.
Mariam is sick.
Okay. Quaid-e-Azam once said, "We are now all Pakistanis, not Balochi, Pathans, Sindhis, Bengals, Punjabis, and so on. And as Pakistanis, we must feel, behave, and act as we should be proud to be known as Pakistanis and nothing else." Now I would hand it over to ma'am. Miss Amna from grade 1, she will come forward and represent his class grade 1. Ma'am Amna.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Amna Slim, mentor of grade 1. To break the ice, I would love to enlighten the date 14th August 1947, a day when we got freedom not only from ruthless rulers but freedom from humiliation. At this day, we got our freedom and we got our own values to live in a democratic, parliamentary, federal Islamic Republic state that is called Pakistan. As a citizen of independent Pakistan, we must reflect our values and principles that were in the mind and the hearts of the people who fought and sacrificed their life for our freedom. Freedom shouldn't be something you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have, something that no one can take it from you. Let's celebrate freedom. Let's rethink about our actions, plans, and their outcomes. ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, यहाँ रोशन होगा दिया जलाए रखना। की है हिफाजत लहू देकर जिसकी हमने इस वतन अजीज को रहती दुनिया तक कायम रखना। God bless our sacred land. God bless our Pakistan. Ameen. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Now, I would love to invite my students to shed light upon this prestigious day. For this purpose, first of all, I would like to call Salva Fahad for English speech. Salva Fahad.
Okay, teacher. Assalamualaikum and good morning. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Happy Independence Day. My name is Salva Fahad and I am from grade 1. Independence is the blessing of Almighty Allah. I am proud to be the citizen of that country which has the 6th largest army in the world. My dear fellow Muslims could not live freely under British dominance. Our culture, language, and religious values were at the stake. Therefore, necessary for Muslims to have free land. Pakistan came into being by the efforts of Iqbal, the hard work of Qaid-e-Azam. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan was declared as an independent Islamic Republic state. We have to work day and night for the progresses of our motherland. Thank you.
Well done, Salva. Now, I would like to call Ayan Zubair for national song.
I'm from grade 1. तुझसे हूँ कहता हूँ मैं बड़े अमान से जग जाने सारा मुझे यूं तेरे नाम से जान दे देना लगे थोड़ा किया है कितनी चाहत से ये पाकिस्तान लिया है मन को डुबाया परचम जलाया दिल से लगाया हुआ याद है ये अदब से कहा प्यार है प्यार है प्यार है हमें प्यार है पाकिस्तान से दिल जान से प्यार है हमें प्यार है पाकिस्तान से दिल जान से बाय बाय
Thank you. Okay, next I would like to call Javeria for Urdu speech. Javeria Faisal.
I am from grade 1. मोहतरम सादा कराम और मेरे हम मकतब साथियों अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मुझे आज जिस मौजू पर लफ्ज़ शायरी का मौका मिला है उसका मौजू है आज़ादी पाकिस्तान। मैं अपनी तकरीर का आगाज़ इस शेर से करती हूँ। परचम वतन का हमको है जान से भी प्यारा, परचम वतन का हमको है जान से भी प्यारा, आंखों का उजाला ये चांद ये सितारा। प्यारे साथियों, 14 अगस्त हमारी आज़ादी का दिन है। ये वतन हमारे बड़ों ने बहुत मेहनत और जद्दोजहद से हासिल किया है। इसके लिए ये वतन हमारे पाकिस्तान की इसके लिए पाकिस्तान के करोड़ों मुसलमानों ने अपनी जान तक कुर्बानी की, इज्जत और वक़ार लूटा, तब कहीं जाकर ये सरजमीन हासिल हुई जिसे आज पाकिस्तान कहा जाता है। शायर ने अपने पाक वतन के लिए क्या खूब कहा है, शायर ने अपने पाक वतन के लिए क्या खूब कहा है। आने न देंगे अपने गुलशन में हम खजा को, आने न देंगे अपने गुलशन में हम खजा को, जन्नत बनाएंगे इस पाक गुलफिजा को। रंगेंगे अपने खून से इस रास्ते वतन के, रंगेंगे अपने खून से इस रास्ते वतन के, जज्बे हमारे दिल के इसकी किरण के। प्यारे साथियों, पाकिस्तान के हर बशिंदे खास तौर पे अपने नौजवान तबके को ये बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि खिदमत, बर्दाश्त, हिम्मत की सच्ची जिंदगी का एक आला मिसाल कायम करें। मुस्तकिल मजाजी और सख्त मेहनत के साथ पाकिस्तान को एक अजीम मुल्क बनाएंगे। प्यारे साथियों, इंशाअल्लाह पाकिस्तान कायम रहने के लिए है और जमीन की कोई भी ताकत ऐसी नहीं है जो पाकिस्तान को तरक्की करने से रोक सके। तंजीम और यकजहती की राहों पे हम चलेंगे, तंजीम और यकजहती की राहों पे हम चलेंगे, आपस के प्यार से ही कायम सदा रहेंगे। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। थैंक यू।
Well done. You did it well. Now, I would like to call Zainab for national song. Zainab Qureshi.
I'm Zainab Qureshi from grade 1. आज मैं नात पेश कर रही हूँ। आज मैं
Zainab,
नात पेश कर रही हूँ। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये वतन, ये वतन, ये वतन, ये वतन तुम्हारा है, तुम हो पासबां इसके, ये चमन तुम्हारा है, तुम हो पासबां इसके, इस चमन के फूलों पर रंगो आप तुमसे, इस जमीन का हर जर्रा आफताब तुमसे, ये फिजा तुम्हारी है, बहरोबर तुम्हारी, ये किशान की जाले है, गुजर हमारे हैं, ये वतन तुम्हारा है, तुम पास इसके, ये चमन तुम्हारा है, तुम पास इसके, इस चमन के फूलों पर रंगों तुमसे, ये फिजा। Thank you.
well done, Zainab. Now, I would like to call Zuhair for English speech.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mia Zuhair and I am a student of grade 1. Happy Independence Day to all of my dear fellows and teachers. Today is 75th Independence Day of Pakistan. We have fought Pakistan by the struggle of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Now we all are Pakistanis. No Balochi, Sindhi, Punjabi and so on. We must feel, behave and act, and we must be proud to be known as Pakistanis. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.
Well done. Beta, those students who have performed, please leave the meeting. Those who have performed, please leave the meeting. Now, I would like to call Ume Farwa for speech. Ume Farwa.
Teacher, when my turn is come. My name is Umme Farwa. I'm from grade 1. Dear Happy Independence Day, dear audience and dear fellows. Today I'm glad to join you on the day of 14 August. The day of 14 August, when Islamic Republic of Pakistan came into being. Every year, this day is celebrated in Pakistan. This day is one of the most important days in the history of Pakistan. It has huge importance because on this day we got Pakistan by the hard work of our beloved leader Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It is important because according to English calendar we got independent on this day, but according to Islamic calendar we got independent on 27th of Ramadan. In that 1947, everyone celebrated the occasion according to its own way. Respected viewers, the history of Muslims were continuous struggle of 100 years of Muslims of subcontinent it in the world. This day remembers us that all the Muslims were devoted on the slogan लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान सीने पे गोली खाएंगे पाकिस्तान बनाएंगे पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद
Well done, Ume Farwa. Now, I would like to call Habiba for Urdu poem.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Habiba from grade 1. Today I'm gonna share you 14 August poem. सबको सबको सब कुछ ने आजादी मुबारक सबको सबको सब कुछ ने आजादी मुबारक पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद तो है तो मैं हूँ ए मेरी वतन तो मेरी चाहत तो मेरी लगन मैं तेरे होने से आजाद हूँ तो मेरा गुलशन तो मेरा चमन तू ही मेरा दिल मेरी जान है तो है तुझसे मेरी शान रहेगा इंशाल्लाह तो आबाद पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.
Excellent, Habiba. Now, I would like to call Manha for speech. Manha. Manha Ubad.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends and teacher. Happy Independence Day to you all. My name is Manha Ubad. I'm from Pakistan. Let me tell you about Pakistan. Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. Qaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. I love my country, Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.
Very good, Manha. Now, I would like to call Muhammad bin Hamza for English speech. Muhammad bin Hamza. Muhammad bin Hamza, beta, please unmute your mic.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad bin Hamza. I'm student of grade 1. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today is birthday of our beloved country. Watan is gift from Allah, Almighty Allah. We should take good care of our country. Study well, keep it clean, don't fight, and do hard work for development. Pakistan, we love Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.
Well done. Now, I request Ryan, beta, please join. Please start your speech, English speech.
And Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Honorable Principal, respected teacher and my dear fellows. Happy Independence Day. Independence is blessing of Almighty Allah. I am proud to be a citizen of that country which has nuclear power in the world. I am the citizen of that country which has 6th largest army in the world. My dear fellow Muslims could not live freely under British dominance. Our culture, language, and religious values were at stake. Before freedom, we were slaves and under British United India. It was therefore necessary of Muslims to have free land. Pakistan came into being by efforts of Allama Iqbal, the hard work of Qaid-e-Azam, and the great leader sacrifice of countless Muslims on 14 August 1947 was declared as an independent Islamic public state. My dear fellows, now it's our responsibility to protect our motherland. We have to work hard day and night for progress and welfare of country. Pakistan Zindabad.
Well done. Now, I would like to call Aiza Noman for message about Independence Day.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aiza Noman and I have an important message for all of you. Freedom is hard to get. We are blessed to have it. Thanks for this beautiful country. Now let's make 3 promises with Pakistan. Number 1, we will not waste water. Number 2, we will plant trees. Number 3, we will not break any rules. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Well done. Now, I would like to call Muhammad Mustafa for Mili Nagma.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher. I'm Muhammad Mustafa. I'm from grade 1. I'm telling you Urdu poem. ये वतन तुम्हारा है, तुम हो पास इसके, ये वतन तुम्हारा है, तुम हो पास इसके, ये चमन तुम्हारा है, तुम हो ना हो इसके, इस ज़मीन की मिट्टी में खून है शहीदों का, अर्ज़ पाक मरकज़ कौम की उम्मीदों का, ये वतन तुम्हारा है, तुम वो पाँव से पाँव सके. Thank you and happy Independence Day.
Well done. Now I request Iman for national song.
Teacher,
Iman, come forward and sing your song. Iman. Beta, those students who have performed, please leave the meeting.
okay, Allah Hafiz, teacher. Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Yes, Iman, start, beta.
My name is Iman. I am class 1.
Very good, beta. Very good. Now I would like to call Reem Sultan. Reem, beta, come forward and give us some information about our flag.
Assalamu
Reem Sultan.
alaikum everyone. My name is Reem Sultan. I am from grade 1. Today I will tell you about flag of Pakistan. Green color of our flag represents Muslim population and white color of our flag represents minorities like Hindu, Christian and Parsi. Christian shows the progress. 5 corners of star shows 5 pillars of Islam. Kalma Taiba, Salah, Zakat, Saum and Hajj. Thank you very much all. Pakistan Zindabad.
Well done, Reem. Now I would like to call Safir Rahman for national song. Safir Rahman.
Rahman. Dil, 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 dil. Safi don't Safi. Dil, dil. Pakistan, Pakistan, Islami. और इनके सिवा जाना चाहा दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान बढ़ती है ये रोशनी चलता है ये कारवां दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.
Very good, beta. Now I would like to call Muhammad Anas for English speech. Muhammad Anas.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum, honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Anas from class 1. My topic is Happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 14th August. 14th August is our Independence Day. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. It is the day when we got freedom. We celebrate 14th August with pleasure. 14th August remind us of the value of independence, the sacrifice of our two leaders. We should be proud of our country. I love Pakistan. Long live Pakistan, Pakistan Zindabad.
Well done, Muhammad Anas. Now, at the end, I would like to call Muhammad Nail for Urdu poem. Muhammad Nail.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, जश्न आज़ादी मुबारक। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद नाइल है। आज मैं आपको एक नज़म सुनाने वाला हूँ। उम्मीद है कि आपको पसंद आई और से सुने। हूँ मैं बच्चा पाकिस्तानी, ये है मैंने दिल में ठानी। नेक बनूंगा, एक करूंगा, नाम वतन का रोशन करूंगा। इस देश का मैं नन्हा सिपाही, पर काम करूंगा बड़े बड़े। सच्चा बनूंगा, अच्छा रहूंगा, इस देश का झंडा रहूंगा। बनूं मैं इतना प्यारा बच्चा कि लोग बोलें ये है बच्चा पाकिस्तानी। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद। शुक्रिया।
Well done. Very well, beta. Now, I hand over this procedure to grade 2 teacher Maham Awais.
Thank you, Miss Mavish. Assalamu alaikum. I am Miss Maham Awais, class teacher of grade 2. वक्त से कोई शिकायत है ना अफलाक से है, वक्त से कोई शिकायत है ना अफलाक से है, यही क्या कम है निस्बत मुझे इस खाक से है। ख्वाब में भी तुझे भूलूं तो रवां रख मुझसे, ख्वाब में भी तुझे भूलूं तो रवां रख मुझसे, वो रवैया जो हवा का खसो खाशाक से है। Today we are gathered to celebrate 74th birthday of our beloved country Pakistan. Pakistan has got independence with tireless effort of our leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the sacrifices of our ancestors. It is 14th of August 1947 when the Muslims of the subcontinent were able to get a land of their own where they could live their lives according to their religion. It is because of the vision of Iqbal, struggle of leaders, and faith of Muslim nation that now we are able to move freely under the green and white flag. I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Now, I will invite the patriotic and passionate students of my class to come forward and express their love for our beloved country, Pakistan. First of all, I will invite Fatma Bilal for national song Dil Dil Pakistan.
Assalamualaikum, principal, teacher. Happy Independence Day. My name is Fatma Bilal. Today I am singing a national song. Dil Dil Pakistan, Jan Jan Jan. Dil Pakistan, Jan Jan Pakistan. ऐसी ज़मीन और आसमान, इनके सिवा जाना कहाँ। बढ़ती रहे ये दोस्ती, चलता रहे ये कारवां। दिल दिल पाकिस्तान, जान जान पाकिस्तान। दिल दिल पाकिस्तान, जान जान पाकिस्तान। Thank you.
Well done, Fatma. Now, I would like to call upon Ishal Fatma for her speech on Independence Day.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishal Fatma and I am studying in grade 2. Honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear students, happy Independence Day to all. Sir, it is 14th August 2021. It is the 75th Independence celebration of our dear Pakistan. Pakistan is the result of years of struggle, sacrifices given by our Muslim leaders. Qaeda-Azam works hard for the independence of Pakistan. Dear sir, Muslims could not live freely under British dominance. Our culture, language, and our religious values were at stake. It was therefore necessary for Muslims to have free lands. Free land. That's how we got independence. Dear friends, now it's our responsibility to protect our motherland, Pakistan. There's a huge responsibility on our shoulders. We have to work day and night for progress and welfare of our motherland, Pakistan. So, in the end, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Pakistan Zindabad.
Well done, Ishal. Now I would like to call upon Harid Waqas to present to us the geographic and cultural beauty of KPK province.
Assalamu alaikum and happy honorable principal, respected teacher, and my fellows. Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day, a great blessing of Allah the Almighty. Today I am here to tell you about my province, KPK. KPK stands for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Its capital city is Peshawar. City of hospitality, city of flowers. Lasha pe khawarta, kanistor malarada, tazu gununa, Breslor malarada. Famous for its beauty, it has historical place and beautiful places for persons. First, Masjid Wazir Khan. Second, Babu Khaybar. Khaybar Park. Lalu Sar. Lake View. Sweat Valley, Naran Kahan. Yum. It is located near Afghanistan. It was first called Northwest Frontier Point.